how to make boluclac or Vietnamese shaking beef. So first we need to make our marinade for the beef. I have 2 pounds of ribeye that I just cut in cubes. To this I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 3 tablespoons of Shaohsing wine. This really helps to tenderize the meat. Then I'm gonna add 5 cloves of minced garlic. And once that's all incorporated, we're gonna throw that into our refrigerator to marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes before the 30-minute mark of marinating, I like to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. This really helps to tenderize the meat. So I'm just gonna add about 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Again, this really helps to tenderize the steak. After I've added that, I'm just gonna give that a nice quick toss. Between this and the Shaohsing wine, you should really expect some very, very tender pieces of steak. While you're waiting for the meat to marinate, roughly chop your tomatoes into large cubes and also slice up your onions into ring-size shapes. Traditional recipes call for red onions, but you can also use white onions in this case to make it sweeter. Okay, so we brought our wok up to a temperature. We want to put our high smoking point oil. Let that go. Because it's sizzling, I know that it's hot enough to put in our meat. So I'll put in our steak and it's gonna sizzle for us. So at this point, we just wanna make sure to char up the meat and cook it through. Get some good browning in the bottom before we toss the meat. So now I've caramelized it quite a bit in the bottom. You can see that there's some really good caramelization going on there. That's what we want. Now to just kind of toss that around. Cook this at a medium rare. This is cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes on high heat. At this point, after I turn, I'm gonna add my vegetables, my tomatoes, and then also my onions. Toss those guys around, making sure that they're going to the party.